Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautiful. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do that right now. The button is right there, and then let's get into the video. So today we are talking about the top 5 cruelty-free brands which are Indian. So these brands that I'm going to talk about are 100% cruelty-free. They are Indian brands. So the first brand that we're talking about is Kalibak. Kalibak is an Indian brand and it's a 100% cruelty-free brand. They have a full range of makeup and they're also into limited skincare like cleansers, toners, moisturizers, serums, masks, etc. And they're not only 100% cruelty-free, but according to their website, they are also preservative-free, paraben-free and non-carcinogenic, which definitely are plus points for the brand. The second brand that we're talking about today is Pack Cosmetics. Pack Cosmetics is an Indian brand and there's not a lot of information that is available on the internet about Pack Cosmetics. Their website is almost like never there. It's always under maintenance. Most of the times, at least, I have seen the website once or twice, but in the last, I think, 6 to 8 months or 12 months, whenever I have gone to their website, they always ask you to come back, and there's not a lot of information that is available on the Pack Cosmetics website. So whatever little information I have it from other blogs or through the internet research. This I'm talking about the brand information, and this brand was started by Indians, so this is an Indian brand. They were not very forthcoming with the information, but ultimately they did answer all my questions to my satisfaction, and that is why I can safely classify them as 100% cruelty free. They have a complete range of makeup products. They have tools, they have lashes, they have everything, and these are easily available online and also in stores. The third brand that we're talking about today is Color Essence. Color Essence is a part of a bigger group, Nature's Magic World, which has 4 to 5 brands under its umbrella. And how I know they are cruelty free is because I had contacted them directly and they got back to me saying that the entire brand, all the brands under its umbrella, are completely 100% cruelty free. They have a full range of makeup as well, except for the shades of contour. They just have one shade of contour, which definitely will not work for everyone. But apart from that, they have a lot of options in terms of eyes, lips, face, etc. So this brand is also available online and in stores. The fourth Indian brand that we're talking about today, which is also 100% cruelty free, is Blue Heaven. You must have seen me using a lot of Blue Heaven products in my recent videos, and Blue Heaven has been around for a very long time, but they have been recently upping their makeup game. Some of their products have really impressed me, and the price point at which they're offering their products are really good. They have a very good range of makeup. They just don't have any contour products at all, but apart from that, they have everything else, and I do keep testing their products because it's very important to see if the products which come in that range are really worth the money or not. So the fifth and the last brand that we're talking about today is Sugar Cosmetics, which is an Indian brand again, and it's a 100% cruelty free brand. I have interacted with them personally on email, and the answers which I got to my questions have been really satisfactory, and that is why I have labeled them as 100% cruelty free. And they have been a recent entrant into the Indian market, into this industry specifically, and they have some really good products. They entered the market first with lip products, then they came up with eye products, and their recent additions have been face products. And although right now the range of products is small, they are in expansion mode and they have seen rapid growth, and that's what makes me think that they will get more makeup into the market in the coming years. So we have some really good products to look at from Sugar Cosmetics in the coming years. So thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. That concludes my video. I hope this helped you to some extent to identify which brands are Indian and 100% cruelty free. Do hit the thumbs up button and let me know that you like such videos, and also please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you get notifications for all my future videos. I hope you're having a great day and I wish for you a wonderful wonderful week ahead, and I will see you again very, very soon in another cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.